In this video, I'm going to teach you how to pad wrap and protect small to medium-sized tables, such as this end table, for moving and storage using the diaper pad technique. Hello, my name is Sean with Stumpf Moving Storage, and I'm your go-to guide for anything and everything moving and storage related. This video comes directly from our professional training program, Moving and Storage Training, the Professional Standard. If you're interested in learning more about that, you can click and tap the screen now. If you missed that, take a look in the description below. We have everything linked right there for you. Now let's get into it. For most small to medium-sized furniture that you're going to be pad wrapping using the diaper pad technique, all you'll need is one moving pad and one rubber band. If you need more, you can adjust accordingly. The first thing that we do when we go to diaper pad any piece of furniture is take our moving pad and spread it out on the floor in front of us with the light side facing up, because the light side is the inside. Once we have this spread out, we could go ahead and get the item we would like to pad. For this example, we're going to be taking a look at an end table. Now, there are larger and smaller end tables, but this is a medium-sized one, so we're going to be diaper padding it. And we'll take it and set it at an angle in the middle of the pad. If you notice, I'm avoiding stepping on the moving pad because this light side is the inside, and we don't want to track dirt from our shoes onto the pad to then get the piece of furniture dirty. So the first thing we'll do here is take the end closest to me and pull it up and over the piece of furniture to ensure we have a nice, smooth, good-looking pad. We could tuck some of this excess in, bringing it up. As you can see, we could bring more in if we really wanted to. Bring it up and over. Take this section here, working counterclockwise around the piece of furniture, and tucking it in as we need to ensure we have a nice, flush pad with no dragging. Now bring those pieces over. We'll take our moving band. If you need any of the equipment that I've referenced in this video, such as rubber bands and moving pads or anything else that you need to perform a move, go ahead and take a look in the description below. I have linked everything right there for you. A lot of times I like to go either around the legs like this and then crisscross if they have sturdy legs. Bring the piece of furniture up and the band around. That will hold the pad in place. Say we have pressboard furniture or an antique where we're worried about the legs, we can bring the moving band all the way in like that, crisscross it again like an X, just like we did before. Bring this band all the way around. We'll pick the piece of furniture up and adjust the band accordingly to keep the pads on. This table is now fully pad wrapped and protected and ready to be taken to the truck. And that is how you pad wrap and protect small to medium-sized furniture using the diaper pad technique for moving and storage. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, if you leveled up your moving game, or if this helped you prepare for your move, please hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. And if you're interested, our professional training program, Moving and Storage Training, the Professional Standard, is linked right down there in the description below, along with all the tools necessary to perform your move. Don't go anywhere because the next video is about to start.